In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove search icon from the taskbar on Windows 11. So they should be a quick and easy process. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So in order to remove the search icon from the taskbar on Windows 11, it's an easy process. All you have to do is to go ahead to the taskbar, just right click on it, and after that just access taskbar settings. And from here, just click on the search box. You can go ahead, click on search icon only as you want, or you can also go ahead, click on search icon and label, or you can hide it, which is the one you want. You can always come back to this and make it appear. As you can see, you can click on search box to come back to the ones you had before. So this was an easy and quick process video, and as always, thank you for watching.